What's up, y'all?
What is up, people? And why my Jamaicans out there?
Okay, I second it. So guys, we are pulling up to Kalena's swim school. Yes, she's taking swim classes. We believe in early education. Ain't nothing wrong with a little swimming, you know what I'm saying? You never know, she might be able to save her mama one day, because her mama cannot swim for nothing. So let me just put that out there. And also, it's a fun activities for, you know, it's a fun activity for the kids to do, as well as to educate them about, you know what I'm saying, the water skills. So I think it's a real good idea.
Definitely get her learning early. It helps that brain development. You know what I'm saying? And that discipline. Swimming ain't no joke. Anybody out there who swim, y'all know this ain't no joke. It's hard to do, man.
Yeah, because I can't do it. And I feel like I'm too old to even get started. But I know everybody gonna say, no, you're not. But I'm still scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. But anyway, we just pulled up to her swim class. And Jesse is getting in the water today because he hasn't been in the water for a while now. Mommy's been doing all the classes. So she's been doing it since she was, what, 6 months?
Oh yeah, 6 months.
6 months, and she just turned 8 months. So
yeah, about 2 months.
Y'all get it. About to get out the car, go up in there, get her signed in, and then change her clothes. He's gonna be changing his clothes, and we'll go from there, y'all. Hi, stinker butt. She not paying me no attention, y'all. Sign her in right here. It's packed in here today, guys. Hi, Stinkles. Hi, cutie. I just love your little hat. Alright, y'all. My baby, she's all changed and ready to go swimming. She got her little swim clothes on. Look at you. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You ready to go swimming? Good. Good. Swimming is good for you. Hi, Mimi.
You ready? Are you ready?
You ready for your swim class? She cracking up. Why are you laughing, girl?
She's real comfortable with the water. So it's gonna be fun.
Hi. Hi, Mimi. You ready? She just busy looking. What you doing?
The Jesus necklace. No, didn't like you did, mommy. You broke mommy necklace clean off.
Yeah, she sure did.
You ready? Are you excited? You gonna be a superstar today? This is YouTube first time seeing you swim, so you gotta be good, okay? Just so you know, she's not swimming on her own yet, you know what I'm saying? So, we're training her.
You're right. Nope, she stopped. Kalena. Kalena.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Can I get the camera? Do you want it?
She's a good guy.
Give him a kiss. Look at her. She just wanted so bad. You're not gonna get it though.
People. Hello, people. Say hello. You got a lot of people out there who already love you. That's crazy, man. They love you already.
Look at it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
You had fun at swim class?
I got that on. Oh, there you go.
Yay, yay, yay. It's cold outside.
Yeah. Fall has come.
Okay, come on.
Hey, I know what you're trying to get, but you gotta hold on. I'm trying to get those too. You feel me? But hey, yeah. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, so she did really good today, and we're gonna like constantly post, make like a little mini series of her swimming. So it's gonna be part 1 for you guys. Hey, cut it out.
She hungry.
She ready to eat? Well, all right, y'all. She hungry. So the boss has spoken. We gotta listen to her. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, everybody be smooth, stay blessed, and until next time, say peace. Hit the camera.